inyo pong lahat for being with us tonight. Alam ko yung iba nag-drive. I know that you worked so hard para lang makapanood. Talaga namang kinarino nyo. Lalo na yung mga nasa harap, mahal ng ticket. Thank you. Yung mga nasa taas, sapat lang. Yung hindi sila masyadong nag-work hard. No, but thank you for coming. Thank you. I mean, it's Sunday, it's family day, but you guys chose to be with us, so thank you. Thank you. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa lahat po ng nakasama ko itong tour na to. This is our last show. Yung mga nakasama namin kaibigan, na hindi naman po talaga namin kasamang mag-tour, but they just came along with us and helped us out with the show. Thank you very much to sila Lester, sino ba? Si Erica, si Louie, sino ba? Si Charles, and Max, and si JJ, na talaga po whenever we're here, hindi po sila nagtatrabaho. Si Charles po, nag-resign muna siya sa work niya para mapag-drive niya ako. Thank you, Charles. No, but really, I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys so much. And it's been 3 weeks almost, and hindi po namin napapansin lahat yung pagod, but we've been on the road for 3 weeks. Mag-show tapos mag-drive. Ako pa ang nagda-drive, ha? Ako pa mismo ang nagda-drive ng bus. At ang galing kong driver, ha? Wala pa akong lisensya. No, but really, nakakatuwa pong mag-tour. I haven't been doing this in a while, but it's wonderful to be able to do this again. And I thank you so much for allowing me to still do what I do. It's wonderful. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa ating poong may kapal for keeping the whole group safe while we travel all over the place. We came from Canada and then we came here. Thank you, God, for protecting us. And hindi ako makapaniwala na nagawa ko yung 9 shows. Kasi, alam niyo na, jumojonders na tayo, nagiging makunan tayo lalamunan. But, I was able to pull it off. So, Lord, thank you. Thank you. I wouldn't have been able to do it if you didn't help me. So, thank you. Thank you so much. At syempre, nagpapasalamat ako sa asawa ko who toured with me. Kasi, sige, i-end niyo muna. Nahihirapan po akong mag-tour na hindi ko kasama yung asawa ko kasi nami-miss ko siya. So, I'm happy that he's with me this whole 3 weeks. At kasama pa namin yung aming bulingid. So, and thank you to my sisters who they worked for me. My sister Kakay, Dayan, Becca, Epoy. Who else? Si Epoy. Endo. Papasasalamatan ko ba si Endo? Wag na, no? And the people that we worked here, of course, maraming salamat. Nakakatuwa kasi pauwi na kami bukas. Pero parang nasa sepangs ako ng very light. So, again, maraming salamat kay Nancy at kay Angel for touring us. Sa lahat ng producers na nakasama natin itong tour na ito, maraming salamat. At syempre, kayo pong lahat, hindi po ito lahat possible if you guys are not here. So, thank you. There I was alone in the
aking kapitan.